Hi there, welcome to another educational video documenting my Web3 expedition, my second video about Recall Network, a project that I see relevant to. It's in the niche of AI, constitutes a blockchain that allows AI agents to prove their intelligence and earn from their skills. An interesting narrative there. Basically, a blockchain that allows AI agents to interact in unison while proving their skill. I know perhaps a competitive situation where they have to outwit each other and are monetized on that basis. Now, it's not very clear the entire jurisdiction of the project, but for now that's sufficient. Our focus in this video, okay, so there's a competitive element where agents compete to showcase skill, and superior skill earns. That's a very interesting narrative there. We've heard of swarms of agents. They work in unison as part of a team. Sample project of that is Theoric AI. We've also heard of a LoRa network, allows community to collectively contribute inference to training AIs. I've never heard of this, where AI agents have to compete. Now, this, of course, in this kind of atmosphere will emerge the most superior AI agents, and I believe that these AI agents will then be preferred to the public for public use. Okay, so earn rewards and reputation by competing to demonstrate your superior skills. Prove agent intelligence. Verify intelligence on chain by storing reasoning and memory on Recall. So that's where the Recall blockchain comes in. Growth agent skills. Refine intelligence by improving with robust data and auditable benchmarks. That's obvious. Accelerating the multi-agent economy. So, of course, there is also an element of multi-agent coordination, agent-to-agent commerce, collaborative AI, collective intelligence. Very interesting. Okay, so the narrative is tangible. Here it says build and discover smarter agents. So this is for the general public. Recall resurfaces the best agents across a range of specialized skills, so you can find and hire the right one for your needs. So that is now referencing the public, the end user. So the agents emanating from Recall Network will be capable in terms of prediction, security and threat detection, trading strategies, science research, coding tasks, personal assistants. Okay, so that's established. Now for earning the airdrop, there's an entire portal dedicated to that, which you will find in the description. At the moment, it's not possible to test out what they are building in terms of on-chain tasks for the end user. Okay, so what you can do at the moment is complete tasks on Galaxy. This is where you will track your points and your stats on the leaderboard. You click here to complete tasks on Galaxy. It's quite robust in terms of the tasks that you can complete. At the moment, mostly social quests. Okay, so this is the most paramount place where you can earn. Okay, some of them have ended, the ones towards the bottom. So you have to stay in touch with the Galaxy page. Here it says visit the alpha microsite to vote and earn up to 800 points. Now this is a huge bulk of points. This is running until May 4th. So it's ending tomorrow, meaning I would have to try to do this. Interesting. But I'm not going to dwell on this in the course of this video. at least we have established that this new set of quests, they are going to end very soon. So, get to doing it as soon as possible. Then if you come here, you will see that there are some roles that you can claim on the Discord that comes with 1000 points if you get the OG role. I don't think everyone can get this. I've visited the Discord and I think that the associated quest for that has ended. I will need to find out about that again. I'll need to find out about that. You'll see that only 345 people have got that. Okay. Then Genesis row. I don't know if I've got this one. I'll have to check again. So I haven't as well. Only 493 people have got this as well. Okay, so just a moment. Okay, so next video I'll see if I can reveal what the requirement is, but once again, just a few people have this. Okay, so now submit an AI agent for competition. This, I saw an announcement on X about this. For this one, you will need to use this form. Okay, so basically I'm understanding the project better now. Basically you can invite agents, AI agents that you know of, to take part in competition, and where the agent that you have referred joins in, then you will earn fragments in turn. So I will study that later on. Now, on their X account, I did see, oh, interestingly, it looks like that's a faucet. Okay, so there is more to it. Recall is the first unstoppable memory network. Let me attempt to connect wallet here. For now, let me just no, you may want to use the same wallet here as you use on your disk on the Galaxy. So okay. Okay, so this is the testnet network. So you may want to test, participate in testnet somehow. Although it's not featured on the Galaxy and all that. So we can use the faucet. I'll do another video about this. Okay, there doesn't seem to be much you can do here. Nothing is clickable. Okay, account. Oh, okay. So this is where account. Okay, this is, in the future, in the future, the end user will need, you can envision, where recall comes in terms of utility. So it's basically going to provide an entire blockchain for storage and all that. And to access, these infrastructure, you will need credit, something like that. But not much you can do here. But it's good to know, this exists. It helps you envision what they're building proper. I noticed something on their Discord. I think there's, on their Twitter. I believe there is a competition going on right now. And one of the tasks here is referencing that competition, the one with 800 points, inviting you to vote. So it looks like the end user is the one, I would think that AI itself will determine the best of agents. But it looks like the end user can play a role in that. So Alpha Wave is an AI competition on Recall where 25 autonomous crypto trading agents compete over 7 days to generate the most profit and earn their spot on the leaderboard. Get involved in the action by predicting who will win, supporting your favorite agent, and following along in real time. So how it works: vote for the agent you think will win, share your vote on X, claim Discord role to access Alpha Wave channels, track your champion's performance, vote for the Alpha Wave winner, and collect 600 bonus points. So that means if your vote is correct, you'll get bonus points. But it looks like you can get points for participating at all. So here it says this is day 2. So it looks like if you vote per day, this is going to happen over the course of 7 days. You'll be getting points associated for that day, something like that. So it says vote now to earn 50 points. The next phase is worth 30 points. So more points on the first day, subsequently less points. So if you maintain a streak, the better. So let's just put up a vote. And it looks like there is also roles to associated with these events. Mind you, I'm not like pre-studying all this. I'm just meeting it and documenting my, my expedition. There is no pre-research involved. Let's look here. Okay, so this is the performance of the agents. P&L for the first agent is 530 on the portfolio value of 30. All of them have similar portfolio value. So, it's likely that many would vote based on P&L. Now, the P&L is not outrageous. It's basic. 1.77%. Let's see this. Okay, interesting. Close. Back to voting. Okay, so you can choose like this. Submit your champion. Okay, so voting is as simple as selecting here. Let's just, for the sake of this video, choose that. Okay, no on-chain transaction. So here it says share on X first. Share your vote on X and claim your I voted role on Discord. So you have to share on X, click on Discord to get your I voted role, then claim your associated points on Galaxy. So 20 ends in 27 hours. So you get points for sharing that post. Okay, so you have to use the Twitter account associated with your Galaxy. Then this is I voted this will happen on the Discord. So I'm not sure yet if I've connected my Discord, or it's likely the same Discord as your, that is connected with your Galgz that you'll be using. So take note of that, because you can scatter things. So just the focus should be Galgz, and all the socials connected to the Galgz is what you should be using to perform these tasks. Bringing us to the end of this video. To conclude, take note, in the description there will be a bunch of other airdrop related to AI. Check them out, and visit airdropc.com and submit your email address here to subscribe to airdrop reminders. I'm working on almost done 100 solid airdrop opportunities. Each will have its own publication tutorial. It will be ready soon, and I'll be sending it out to to subscribers who submit their email here. So do well to do so. Like I said, in the description you'll find a bunch of airdrop opportunities there. Exhaust them. Subscribe to Web3 Wikis on all socials. Contact me using this form, this Telegram, or this Twitter. Subscribe to Web3 Wikis on all socials. Stay awesome. Take action.